Welcome to the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, eager to share today's top business stories with you. NewsRamp.com selects the latest news from leading sources, ensuring you get the most pertinent information. A quick reminder, this podcast is created with the help of AI and AI voices, but the stories we cover are entirely real. You can find the full news articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Wednesday evening, June 18th, 2025, and we've curated an intriguing lineup of health, fitness, and wellness news for you today. So whether you're in transit, at the gym, or at home, join us as we begin. Starting off with our first headline.
Biomed news breaks. Telomir Pharmaceuticals, NASDAQ Telo, reports preclinical success for Telomir 1 in progeria cell lines. Telomir Pharmaceuticals, traded on NASDAQ under the symbol TELO, has reported successful preclinical results for Telomir 1 in progeria cell lines. The company's lead candidate, Telomir 1, showed promising results in preventing cellular aging in human progeria cell lines from the Progeria Research Foundation. This novel small molecule improved cell viability, reduced oxidative stress, and restored mitochondrial function in cells from a child with Hutchinson-Gilford progeria syndrome. Telomir 1 targets key mechanisms of progeria at the molecular level, unlike the only FDA-approved treatment. These results mark a significant advancement as Telomir Pharmaceuticals moves forward with IND-enabling work and potential orphan drug designation.
Biomed news breaks. Telomir Pharmaceuticals, NASDAQ Telo, reports preclinical success for Telomir 1 in progeria cell lines. Telomir Pharmaceuticals, traded on NASDAQ under the symbol TELO, has reported promising preclinical results for its lead candidate, Telomir 1. The data showed that Telomir 1 prevented cellular aging in human progeria cell lines, improving cell viability, reducing oxidative stress, and restoring mitochondrial function. These findings are significant as they target key mechanisms of progeria at the molecular level, unlike current treatments that only extend lifespan. Telomir Pharmaceuticals is now advancing towards IND-enabling work and potential orphan drug designation with the goal of promoting longevity and enhancing quality of life. For more information, visit Telomir Pharmaceuticals' website at www.telodex.com.
Food as Medicine shows potential for improving diet quality and food security. Food as Medicine programs that integrate healthy food into healthcare settings show promise in improving diet quality and food security for those with chronic diseases. However, more research, including larger, higher quality studies, is needed to fully understand the clinical outcomes of these programs. The American Heart Association's Healthcare by Food initiative is funding 23 pilot trials to address gaps in research and improve the effectiveness and cost efficiency of food as medicine interventions. These efforts aim to bridge critical gaps in understanding the impact of food as medicine on long-term health outcomes for patients with chronic diseases and those at high risk.
Investor news breaks. Quantum BioPharma Ltd, NAC, QNTM, advances brain and alcohol health pipeline, receives Phase 2 trial approval for FSD-202. Quantum BioPharma Ltd is making significant strides in advancing its pipeline targeting brain disorders and alcohol health. The company has received approval for a Phase 2 trial of FSD-202 in patients with idiopathic mast cell activation syndrome, addressing unmet needs in inflammatory pain. Quantum is also preparing for an IND filing for its Lucid MS compound for progressive multiple sclerosis and has launched a PET imaging study with Massachusetts General Hospital. Subsidiary Unbuzzed Wellness is gearing up for a potential IPO, while Quantum has expanded its Bitcoin holdings to $5 million and plans to issue contingent value rights linked to pending litigation. The company reported reduced administrative costs and increased R&D spend in Q1 2025, ensuring cash runway into 2027.
With fresh funding and strong Phase 3 data, PolyPid advances towards FDA approval. PolyPid Ltd announced securing $26.7 million through warrant exercises post-successful SHIELD II Phase 3 trial results. Their breakthrough surgical infection prevention technology, D-PLEX 100, demonstrated significant reduction in surgical site infections and met all key endpoints. With a market cap of around $36 million, PolyPid's undervaluation presents an opportunity for investors. Anticipated catalysts include NDA submission in early 2026, eligibility for Medicare's new technology add-on payment, U.S. partnership discussions, and a substantial market opportunity. The company's platform technology offers growth potential beyond surgical infections, with Wall Street analysts maintaining bullish outlooks. With a notable discount to peers, extended cash runway, and strong support, PolyPid stands out as an intriguing opportunity for biotech investors.
LezDo TechMed launches seamless medical record review billing through CaseDrive. LezDo TechMed, a leading medical record review outsourcing firm, has launched a new medical record review billing system called CaseDrive. This innovative tool promises a seamless and transparent billing experience for clients including IMEs, QMEs, law firms, insurance firms, and life care planners. CaseDrive, powered by AI, offers real-time billing visibility, automated invoicing, flexible billing cycles, tailored billing packages, and specialized billing summaries. With this launch, LezDo TechMed aims to eliminate hidden fees, confusing invoices, and delayed payments, providing clients with complete transparency and peace of mind in their medical record review services.
Biomed news breaks. Intelligent Biosolutions Inc., NASDAQ INBS, to deploy fingerprint drug testing system across MWS sites in Australia. Intelligent Biosolutions Inc., listed on NASDAQ as INBS, will deploy its intelligent fingerprinting drug screening system across Managed Waste Service, MWS sites in New South Wales, Australia. This move by MWS marks its first transition to in-house on-site drug testing for various purposes. The system provides non-invasive results in under 10 minutes, allowing for quick safety decisions without disrupting operations. INBS continues to expand its reach in safety-critical industries, with over 450 organizations in 24 countries using its scalable drug testing technology. For more information, visit the company's newsroom at the provided link. Soligenix Inc., NASDAQ SNGX, proprietary therapy shows promise in treatment of psoriasis. Soligenix Inc., listed on NASDAQ as SNGX, has developed a promising therapy for the treatment of psoriasis. Their SGX-302 utilizes visible light to reduce inflammation and promote skin healing, with a Phase 2A study showing it to be well tolerated with no significant adverse events. Psoriasis, affecting 3% of the adult population in the U.S., can have a significant impact on daily life. Soligenix is leading the way in innovative psoriasis treatments, with SGX-302 currently in Phase 2A clinical trials. This novel treatment aims to address mild to moderate psoriasis, a condition that affects over 7.5 million individuals in the U.S. Stay updated on Soligenix news at their newsroom website. LezDo TechMed launches seamless medical record review billing through CaseDrive. LezDo TechMed has launched a next-generation medical record review billing system through their product CaseDrive. The tool promises a seamless, transparent, and intelligent billing experience for IMEs, QMEs, law firms, insurance firms, and life care planners. CaseDrive, the company's AI-powered platform, offers real-time billing visibility and automated invoicing. Clients can now enjoy flexible billing cycles, tailored billing packages, and specialized billing summaries. This innovative solution aims to eliminate hassles and elevate client trust in medical record review services, like narrative summaries, medical chronologies, and deposition summaries. LezDo TechMed continues to lead innovation in medical record reviews and billing automation.
Investor news breaks. HeartBeam Inc., NASDAQ BAT, secures 2 new patents advancing 3D ECG and cardiac monitoring technology. HeartBeam Inc., listed on NASDAQ under the ticker symbol BEAT, has secured 2 new U.S. patents that enhance its 3D ECG and cardiac monitoring technology. These patents protect the core technologies behind HeartBeam's compact cable-free 3D ECG device and its rhythm analysis algorithm for identifying arrhythmias. The device collects high-fidelity signals in 3 non-coplanar directions using chest and finger electrodes, allowing for on-demand symptom recording and 12-lead ECG synthesis. The rhythm algorithm triggers targeted data collection during abnormal rhythm detection, improving diagnostic precision. With a total of 20 issued patents and 34 additional filings, HeartBeam is at the forefront of digital cardiac care innovation, with plans to incorporate AI capabilities for enhanced diagnostic accuracy. Investor news breaks: HeartBeam Inc., NASDAQ beat, secures 2 new patents advancing 3D ECG and cardiac monitoring technology. HeartBeam Inc., listed on NASDAQ under the ticker symbol BEAT, has recently secured 2 new U.S. patents that enhance its 3D ECG and cardiac monitoring technology. These patents protect the core technologies behind HeartBeam's compact cable-free 3D ECG device and its rhythm analysis algorithm for identifying arrhythmias. The device, designed for on-demand symptom recording and 12-lead ECG synthesis, is currently under FDA review. With a total of 20 issued patents and 34 additional filings, HeartBeam is solidifying its position in digital cardiac care innovation, with plans to incorporate AI capabilities for enhanced diagnostic accuracy in the future. Biomed news breaks: Nutriband Inc., NASDAQ NTRB, advances Aversa Fentanyl with Kindeva to commercial manufacturing scale. Nutriband Inc., NATRB, has successfully scaled up the commercial manufacturing process for its lead product, Aversa Fentanyl, in collaboration with Kindeva, a global CDMO. This product integrates Nutriband's Aversa abuse deterrent technology with Kindeva's FDA-approved fentanyl patch, produced at Kindeva's U.S.-based transdermal facility. The next step involves producing clinical supplies and submitting an investigational new drug application for a human abuse liability study. Nutriband projects peak U.S. sales for Aversa Fentanyl between $80 million and $200 million, with global market ambitions supported by an extensive international patent portfolio.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.